Tired of commercial skin moisturizers and their side effects? Ever considered making your own natural skin moisturizer? The reality is, many store-bought options are brimming with chemicals that can do more harm than good. But the good news? You can create your own natural skin moisturizer right in your kitchen. Today, we'll dive into 2 fantastic recipes that harness the power of simple natural ingredients. Stay tuned to find out how to create your own natural skin moisturizer with simple ingredients found in your kitchen. The first recipe we'll cover uses coconut oil and shea butter. Begin by melting half a cup of coconut oil and half a cup of shea butter over a double boiler. Once melted, remove from heat and let it cool. This dynamic duo is a powerhouse of hydration. Coconut oil, with its abundant fatty acids, helps replenish your skin's natural barrier, while shea butter, rich in vitamins A and E, nurtures and revitalizes your skin. Next, stir in a quarter cup of jojoba oil or almond oil, both known for their nourishing properties. Allow the mixture to solidify in the refrigerator, then whip it into a creamy consistency with a hand mixer. Voila, your homemade moisturizer is ready. Store it in a clean, airtight container. It can last up to 6 months if stored properly. Compared to commercial lotions, this moisturizer is free from harmful chemicals and preservatives. And that's how you make a coconut oil and shea butter moisturizer. But we're not done yet. Let's move on to our second recipe. Our second recipe involves aloe vera and almond oil. To begin, you'll need a quarter cup of pure aloe vera gel, a quarter cup of almond oil, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Aloe vera, known for its hydrating properties, helps to lock in moisture, while almond oil, rich in vitamins A and E, nourishes and softens the skin. First, mix the aloe vera gel and almond oil together in a bowl until well combined. Now, add in a few drops of your chosen essential oil and stir once again. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container and voila! Your homemade moisturizer is ready to use. This concoction is a fantastic alternative to commercial lotions, which often contain harsh chemicals. Plus, it has a shelf life of up to 3 months when stored in a cool, dry place. And there you have it, an aloe vera and almond oil moisturizer. Now you have 2 natural skin moisturizer recipes you can try at home. So, there you have it, 2 natural skin moisturizer recipes that you can make right in your kitchen. Each recipe uses simple, all-natural ingredients and takes just a few minutes to prepare. They offer a chemical-free alternative to commercial lotions, providing your skin with pure, nourishing hydration. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Until next time, stay natural and stay beautiful.